Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. I'm going to just switch gears for today, and I'm going to start with translating a sentence into an inequality symbol. So, write an inequality for the following statement. B is less than 1. So, let's type the letter B. And it is less than the number 1. Let's shrink that back down. Let's try another. We always read from left to right, so make sure that when you do these, you are reading from left to right, just like how we read words in a sentence. So B is greater than 9. Just try another one. 5 is greater than or equal to y. So for that one, we have the little symbol that's underneath the inequality symbol. So 5 is greater than or equal to y. Another one. 3 is greater than or equal to b. So 3 is greater than or equal to b. And one more. A is a less than 6. So the letter A is less than 6. If you have any more difficulty, just click on the explanation and keep trying to do practice problems until you get it down. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.